Hey, on this video, we're going to learn about the 7X process, the 7X process strategy to supersize your business. Pajama Grandma, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. In case we haven't met yet, go put hashtag pajama in the comments below. So it's the first time you're being exposed to Pajama Grandma and her super strategy business growth tactics. Today is day 24 of 30 different super successful award-winning business people's strategies that we're covering in detail. They were asked, if you were to lose everything, what would you do over the first 30 days or the next 30 days to regain your life, to get back on track with what it is that you want to create? You can get these detailed strategies in a free Facebook group, 30-day Supersize challenge. I'll put the link somewhere below so you have access to it, but you can go and you can read the daily step-by-step detail plan, not only of Pat Rigsby, but of all 30 plans. You can get and read, can see the summary video and then read, if it's something of interest to you, their day-by-day, step-by-step, exactly what they would do. And you can use that as your own checklist to supersize your business. Pat Rigsby is a fitness expert, and he calls his plan, I've repeated the same exact process over and over again to create 7 businesses that make at least $1 million per year. Okay, who else wants to make at least $1 million per year in 7 different businesses? Raise your hand. I sure do. Well, let's talk about Pat's plan, because he's got some incredibly powerful things in here that I want to make sure you understand that you can apply to your business as soon as today. You can start applying them to your business. So what would Pat do first? Well, he's brainstorming, and he's going to create a plan that creates a one-on-one coaching program that's going to lead to a mastermind. But it's not just the coaching program and the mastermind that is the incredible twist to what he's doing. What he's going to do, and I'll get to that in a minute, because I want to lay some of the foundation for you first. He is going to make sure that he is addressing the biggest, most pressing problem or need of his target audience, the people that he wants to serve. We're starting to hear a theme here, right? Almost every single plan includes identifying your strengths, identifying who you're going to work with, and then matching those two up to come up with what you can uniquely provide for your audience. Magnifying glass. So he reminds us that it's important to play to our strengths. You have to identify, what are you good at? What are your strengths? What do you like to do? What do you want to do? What does your target audience, what does your target market want? And if you don't know, you need to hop online, do some research, and find out what they want. Find out where they're going, go there too, ask questions in an awesome way, provide value, and just find out what's going on and what they want, what their needs are and what their desires are. Then he is going to create a free call. He's going to offer a free call to everybody that he interacts with, a free 1-hour strategy call where he is going to share all his best stuff. And at the end of it, here's what he's going to do. He is going to offer, and this is where the incredible part comes in of his plan. He is going to create an irresistible, risk-free, guaranteed offer for his clients or the people that decide to work with him. And in that offer, he is going to have, he's got 2 versions. One version is, work with me for 6 months, don't pay me anything up front, but every additional dollar and person and things that I bring into your business, additional, you give me 25 cents on the dollar for that increased business over 6 months. And we'll work together for 6 months. And whatever that is, you pay me. If I don't get you any more customers or any more money, then you don't pay me. The second option is, work with me for 6 months. I guarantee that I will get you at least $6,000 recurring income per month. And for that, you pay me $2,000 a month. And you have a 6-month retainer for $2,000 a month. So he's got these 2 irresistible offers. No risk to the person that he's working with, right? You can work with him risk-free, cost-free, starting right away with his coaching and his program. And if he doesn't get you the guaranteed result, he's guaranteeing the result first. If he doesn't get you the result, then you don't have to pay him. That is a risk-free, irresistible offer. That is incredible. So he's going to take that and he's going to blow that up. He's going to call people and he wants to have at least 3 calls a day. He details this all out on his written plan, but I want to hit some of the highlights. So the key is, he's going to deliver results to people first, and then they pay him. That is an irresistible offer for most any business owner or anybody that wants to build their business. Again, he's going to do 3 calls a day. He's going to do daily Facebook Lives where he's sharing his coaching. At the end of each of those calls, he's going to have a call to act or lives. He's going to have a call to action that invites people to do a strategy session call with him. And again, he's going to add his offer on the end. He's going to do this for a couple of weeks, and then he's going to create a small book to bring people into his world. Anybody that downloads the book or gets the book, the free PDF, he is going to contact them and offer them a free strategy call. He's going to eventually turn that book into a free plus shipping physical book and a lead magnet that he can bring more people into his world. He's going to create an email campaign so he's communicating with all the people he's coming in contact with over and over again to continue to build and add coaching students to his business. He knows that he can't keep up the one-on-one coaching long term. He can do it at first to get people to come into his world and get testimonies because he wants to get results for people first. And then he's going to do Facebook Lives and interview some of the people that he's gotten results for starting as soon as like the second or third week of his plan, because he knows he can get results for people quickly. And he's going to then turn all of this into a group coaching mastermind where he does group coaching, weekly calls, 3 events each year, live events where people come for 2 days and do hot seats. He's going to do Voxer. You heard that beeping a minute ago. That's my Voxer going off already today. And things like that for the people that are in that group call, because he knows he has to go to a group plan down the road because he's only one person and he knows he can't deliver on a whole lot. He can probably do 15 maybe people a month, but beyond that, he knows he needs to have a group call going. So your action item for today is, of course, ask yourself and identify what is your game-changing, risk-free, irresistible offer that you can offer to your target audience. And what is a result that you can get people up front and guarantee that you'll get it for them up front and then they can pay you. That is our action item for today. Our amazing strategy tomorrow is the instant C&A strategy. So you don't want to miss that. Again, if you want these detailed plans, go to 30-day Supersize Challenge, the Facebook group, and everything is laid out there for you in detail. That's it. Have a fantastic day. I'll see you tomorrow with another strategy. Go out, supersize your business.